Transfer photos and videos sent to a smartphone to image.canon. Simply launch the Camera Connect app. Choose camera images and import them to your smartphone. After you import the images, open the image.canon app, and the images you imported to your smartphone will be uploaded automatically to image.canon. Image.canon will analyze the uploaded photos and sort them automatically into your specified categories. Plus, photos with smiles, eyes not closed, and faces in focus are determined and sorted automatically. You can also have photos transferred automatically to third-party services. Canon software services make your photo experience smoother and more enjoyable. Image.canon